So in this Google Finance tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to explore market trends here on Google Finance. So once you're on Google Finance, what I want you to do is on this main page right here, go to the right side to where it says market trends right here, and then just go ahead and select whatever one you're looking for. So for example, if you just wanted to view the indexes, you can go ahead and do that. So once you're on the Explore Market Trends page, you can go ahead and view a bunch of different options. You can go ahead and view the most, the indexes right here, the most active stocks or funds that were being traded, or you can look at the biggest gainers, the biggest losers, the climate leaders as well. If you're into crypto, you can press on cryptocurrency, or if you want to see how different currencies are kind of looking like right now, you can go ahead and view that for yourself. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to explore different market trends on Google Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.